Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of silver has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of silver can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what you can see here that the price of silver from 2013 was in this particular range. Okay, this is the high of that particular range. Okay, if you look at this particular high and this particular high, after this particular range has break upside, if you have seen my video, I have clearly told you that there is a pattern forming at this particular range. Okay, and we can see that it can move further upside. Okay, you can check my previous video on this particular dates. Okay, where I have told you the sign can be on the positive side and can go upside. See, now after this range has break for around, you can say from 2013 to 2020, it was in this range. Once it break upside, we have seen a move and a high of around 29.918. okay, and after that particular range we have seen now it is moving in this range. Okay, and this is also, you can say, from 20 June or July 2022 till now it is moving in this range. Okay, and if you look at the range, what we have seen that it is trying to go down. Okay, and the low of that particular range is hit at around 21.175. okay, and now it is currently trading at around 21.736. if you have seen my video, I have already told you that this particular level is already being tested here, that is around 21.5 is already being weak in support. So if it comes close to this level, we can see it can break this particular level. Okay, and it has break, see, made a low of around 21.107. okay, now suppose if this particular this level sustain here again, we can see it can move further down. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding silver, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description, or any other commodities, forex, stocks, you can mail me regarding that, and a telegram link I have given in the description, you can join, and please watch the full video, then only you understand how this technical in silver is working. See, now suppose what we can see in the next 2 days, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it can touch a level of 21.649, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 21.378. okay, and this is has gone a weaken support, so probability will be high, we can see it can touch a level of 21.107. okay, and once this particular level goes downside, we can see it can go further low and can touch a level of 19.887. okay, so keep this in mind. If the price didn't sustain a level of 21.107, we can see it can go further down. Okay, because a support we can see coming at around 21.514, and from there we can see a coming at around 21.175. suppose if this level also didn't sustain, we can see it can move further low towards a level of 20.701, and from there we can see a level of 20.138. okay, and this also level didn't sustain, then we can see it can move to a level of 19.752, and then we can see it can go further low. Now market is uncertain, you know that the price can move upside also. okay, we can predict the pattern, the price action where the market is going, but suppose if the price didn't sustain that level, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it can go and touch a level of 21.921. okay, and suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 22.056. suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 22.327. okay, and suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 22.463. okay, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 22.734, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 23.276. okay, again I repeat, if the price sustain this level, we can see it can touch a level of 21.988, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 22.256. okay, and suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 22.666. okay, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 22.869. okay, suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and further upside towards a level of 23.208. now keep this in mind, this level is already being tested here, so probability will be high, we can see, as this resistance can hit upside and can move upside. okay, so keep this in mind that if the price goes above a level of 22.327, we can see it can touch a level of 22.666, and from there if that level sustain, then we can see yes, a probability will be high that we can see it can touch a level of 23.276. Suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see a level of 23.476. okay, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 24.147. suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 24.767, and these levels are already being tested here, so probability will be high. We can see it can touch a level of 25.445. suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 25.580, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 25.919. and then once if it goes above this level, then we can see further upside movement. Okay, now understand something. If you are trading is risky, you have to understand something. What I teach in my workshop, that suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of your capital per trade, that is around 1000 to 1500. okay, so what you can do, suppose if you take 5 trades also, and if all these 5 trades gone, your risk will be 0.5 to 1% per trade, that is around $500. okay, $50 to $100 per trade, and risk will be, if you lose all 5 trades, then $5,500. okay, so you will not be more focused on recovering the amount rather than focusing more on profit, because what people do, they lose more of the money, and because of that they try to trade continuously, and because of that they lose their capital. This is what I teach in my workshop, how you can overcome all these things. okay, if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it, and you want to attend my workshop, just mail me regarding that. So hope you like the video. Thank you.